Uy, kumusta? Kung pera at kayamanan ang ating pag-uusapan, bakit hindi natin tanungin ang ating mga sarili? Ano ba ang aking financial status sa ngayon? May kakayahan na ba ako mabuhay ng komportable kahit walang trabaho? At kung trabaho naman ang ating uusisain, masaya ka ba? Ilang taong ka na bang nagtatrabaho? Kung ako naman ang inyong tatanungin sa mga bagay na yan, ay marami tayong pag-uusapan. Handa na ba kayo? Hello po, ako po si Tita Florita, ang inyong Global Tita. Mga 30 taon na po akong naninirahan dito sa Amerika. I was employed for 7 years back home in the Philippines and have been employed for 29 years in California. At dahil sa halos mahigit kumulang na 36 na taon na akong employed, so I finally decided to fire myself. Fire yourself, Tita? What do you mean by that? Well, fire means financial independence, retire early. Huh? Okay, ganito na lang para madaling intindihin. Ang FIRE ay status na may kakayahang mabuhay ng komportable kahit hindi ka na nagtatrabaho. Welcome to the channel of Tita Florita, the Global Tita. Ang channel pong ito ay tungkol sa pampinansyal na talakayan, where my goal and advocacy is to influence others to be financially independent, especially for those people who just started to build their wealth. Lalo na yung mga bata pa, it is always the best to start early. Disclaimer lang po, I am not any of those financial guru or expert or professional in financial field. Isa lang po akong hamak na Filipino-American na nakatawid at naghangad ng magandang buhay sa pamamagitan ng sikap, tiyaga at kakayanan sa halos lahat ng bagay. All contents that I will be sharing in this video is all based on my personal experiences. By doing a reverse engineer method, we will dissect my experiences starting from the beginning of my young age. We will analyze and learn from this approach, and hopefully it will serve as your tool to help you reach the FIRE status. If you are interested in wealth, financial life, or money topic, please subscribe to this channel, basagin ang kampana sa baba at ibahagi sa lahat ang video na ito. Okay, let's talk about FIRE. According to Investopedia, the FIRE movement was born from a 1992 book, Your Money or Your Life, written by two financial gurus. Financial Independence Retire Early is a movement of people devoted to a program of extreme savings and investment that aims to allow them to retire far earlier than a traditional budgets and retirement plans would permit. Ito po yung mga tao na naghahanda sa kanilang mga pagre-retiro sa pamamagitan ng pag-iipon ng marami during their working years. They live frugally or matipid silang mamuhay, and they investing the money they have saved and taking advantage with compounding interest. So they can retire early at mamuhay sa pamamagitan ng small withdrawals from their accumulated funds. Actually, I was not aware about this movement until 2020 when I was trying to check my retirement sources. There were several variations have evolved within the FIRE movement that dictates the lifestyle its devotees are willing and able to maintain. Ang mga sumusunod ang tatlong variations ng FIRE. Number 1, Fat FIRE. Ito ang individual na nag-ipon ng pera sa halaga na hindi na niya kinakailangan mag-adjust ng kanyang lifestyle. Number 2, Lean FIRE. Ito naman ang tao na nagretiro ng maaga at nag-ipon ng ayos lang pero kinakailangan niya magtipid and to live within their means. This person would have restricted lifestyle. And number 3, Barista FIRE. Ito naman ang tao na nag-quit ng kanilang traditional 9-to-5 jobs pero kailangan pang mag-part-time work to obtain health coverage at para hindi agad maubos ang kanilang retirement funds. Although I didn't follow the method and system of FIRE, I consider myself that I am in this FIRE status. Because when I look back and analyze our lifestyle from the beginning to present, this is what I found. Katulad ng mga sumusunod. Matipid ba ang aming pamumuhay? Hindi naman. We make sure na palagi kaming may bakasyon ng 2 beses isang taon. Nag-ipon ba ako ng pera? Oo naman, pero hindi kasing extreme ng FIRE movement na 70% on their annual salary. Instead, about average of 15% throughout these years. Nag-invest ba kami? Yes, we did. And I think this is the most important method to achieve the FIRE status. Okay, Tita Florida, how did you confirm na FIRE ka na? Well, I calculated our financial status by using some factors to find out kung hanggang kailan tatagal ang aming retirement fund, with a goal in mind to last up to our 100 years and beyond. At this age, you have to calculate it in detail. By the way, factors are varies depends on each circumstances. So, heto ang mga factors that I considered into my formula. First factor is source of income during retirement. Those are retirement funds like 401k, IRA accounts, stock market account, and Social Security pension. Cash savings in the bank. This is significant for retiring early dahil hindi pa namin makukuha ang retirement funds until we reach the age of 59 and a half for 401k and 63 for SSS. Kailangan namin ng pantawid na gastusin bago ka makatanggap ng pensyon. Passive income from rental properties that we invested throughout the years is significant to our monthly expenses. And other investment to cash out in the future such as college fund insurance, universal life insurance, and of course, our real estate properties. Tatalakayin po natin ang bawat isa nito sa ating future videos. Our second factor is the overall expenses like monthly expenses. Ito yung halaga ng mga gastusin namin sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay or yung basic needs like foods, shelter, clothing, utility bills, telephone, insurance, medical insurance, property taxes, gasolina at iba pa. Kasama din dito ang big expenses like automobiles, camper truck, school expenses ng ang anak ko for college, and leisure or hobby expenses like budget for vacations, oil paintings, gardening, carpentry, and woodworking. Kailangan kasama mo sa budget ang mga ito. What is retirement for kung hindi mo gagawin ang mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, di ba? Last but not the least is our third factor. This is the time and planning. For every factors above should align with the right timing and extreme planning. Kailangang alamin mo kung kailan ang tamang time para mag-withdraw ng retirement funds based on your expenses schedule. The money in my retirement fund should still be earning while I am withdrawing the right amount for each year. Kailangan alam mo kung kailan ka bibili ng mga long-term or big expenses. Consider kung kailan mauubos ang saving or reserve money in the bank bago mo galawin ang retirement funds. Alamin kung hanggang kailan aabot ang lahat ng funds and reserve or assets by calculating your financial independence score. Matapos kong alamin ang aming mga factors, I calculated our financial score. The goal is magka-score ng equals or greater than 100%. The formula according to some financial guru is FIS or Financial Independence Score is equals to monthly income over monthly expenses. In other words, monthly income divided by monthly expenses. FIS is equals to 100%. Using this formula, I calculated each year from 2022 to 2065 para masigurado ko na we are in FIRE status. Ngayon alam mo na kung paano ang formula para maging FIRE, bakit hindi mo subukan na kwentahin ang iyong status na pampinansyal? Malay mo, nandyan ka na rin. Hindi ka lang nakafocus dito. O kung wala ka pa, at least alam mo na para magkapagplano ka at magawan mo ng paraan. Yung mga kapwa Filipino-American citizen ko, sana po ay may napulot kayo dito sa video na ito and hope na may apply nyo ang formula na ito. Yung mga OFW globally na interesado may matutuhan pa sa video ko, please make comment below. We have lots of things to discuss in the next videos. For my global nephews and nieces, marami pa akong ituturo sa inyo. Hindi ito itinuturo sa school, so grab the opportunity. All you need to invest is your time to learn the important factors in building wealth so you can be financially independent. Ayaw mo nun, may freedom ka to choose kung may pera ka. Salamat po sa panonood. Until the next topic, ito po si Tita Florita, your global tita.